Welcome back to Anderson's Smoke Show. Today, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite festive recipes for this holiday season, and that's some hot buttered rum. Stick around and I'm gonna show you exactly how to make it. If you're new here, I'm here to show you awesome and easy recipes, whether that's outside on your smoker or grill or inside here in the kitchen. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so that you can keep up with my latest content. Be sure to like the video, write me a comment, let me know what you think of this hot buttered rum recipe. Now let's get started. I had hot buttered rum for the first time at a friend's house just a few weeks back, and I'm gonna tell you what, it was fantastic. So I had to learn how to make it, and I'm gonna show you how to do it today. It's a really simple recipe. You use equal parts of butter, which would be a ½ cup or 1 stick. We have a ½ cup of firmly packed brown sugar. We have a ½ cup of powdered sugar. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of ground clove and ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're also gonna use a cup of vanilla ice cream, and of course, my favorite part, the rum. So let's get started. Most of these ingredients that I just talked about, we're gonna need to combine in a saucepan on low to medium heat. So we're gonna start by melting a ½ cup of butter. Let's get over to the stove, let's get it started. All right, I've got a medium-sized saucepan on the stove here. I'm gonna turn this to a low to medium temperature here. And I'm gonna put the entire stick of butter here. And I used an unsalted butter. I set that whole stick of butter down in there, and we're gonna let that melt here on the stovetop. All right, so the butter is completely melted now. We're gonna add a ½ cup of that brown sugar. I'm gonna get this mixed in there nicely. And this whole portion of the recipe is just to make the cream. We'll get that brown sugar and butter mixed up the best we can here. I'm gonna add the ½ cup of powdered sugar. And as you can see, it's kind of making a paste or cream-like consistency. We're just gonna keep mixing that up. I'm gonna throw in my ground cloves and ground cinnamon. Those were 1/4 teaspoon apiece. And I'm gonna mix those in there. And we have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we'll mix that in. You can see it's got a nice thick consistency. We're not done yet. We're about to move on to the good part. All right, you can see it is mixed pretty well there. We're gonna take this off the heat, set it off to the side for just a moment. The last ingredient that you need is some good vanilla ice cream. So I've got 1 cup of premium vanilla ice cream that I'm gonna add to this mixture. Now that we've got the ice cream in, we're just gonna continue to stir this, and we want a nice cream-like consistency. You may have to return it to the heat for just a moment, just to get that ice cream to melt down. Shouldn't be a problem, just be sure to keep stirring. See the ice cream starting to melt down? It's getting kind of frothy in appearance, a lot smoother texture there. All right, that is melted down. Look at that, it looks great. It's time to make that hot buttered rum. All right, we've got the hot buttered rum cream made. We've got the rum, we've got the hot water. It is time to get this mixed. So I've got myself a nice little Irish coffee mug here. We're gonna start by adding 2 ounces of the hot buttered rum mix. It's probably easiest with a ladle, just because you do need quite a bit. And there's 2 ounces. Now I'm gonna pour myself a 1 ounce shot of some spiced rum. I chose Captain Morgan because that's what we drink in this house. That's about a 1 ounce shot there. And now I'm going to top this off with some boiling water. And when you top this off with hot boiling water, it's usually about 4 to 5 ounces. It just depends. If you like a little stronger alcoholic beverage, then add a little more rum. If you like a sweeter concoction, use more of the hot buttered rum mix. That's pretty well mixed. Now, I like to add a little decoration, so I've got some Ready Whip. We're gonna put a little Ready Whip on top. Oh, what the heck, we're not here to make friends. Let's add a little bit more. There we go. And then you can top it with a little bit of ground cinnamon for color. Look at that. Now that looks sweet. We've got that hot buttered rum mixed up, and as you can see, it looks good as heck. Let's give it a try. Oh, wow. That is fantastic. That is the perfect after dinner drink for you and your family this holiday season. If you like this video and you like this recipe with that hot buttered rum, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you can keep up with all of the content that I release. And I'll see you next time at Anderson's Smoke Show. That's good. I could go for like 4 more of these. That's bad. Happy holidays, everyone. Thanks again for tuning into Anderson's Smoke Show. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out that recommended video, then my Facebook and my Instagram pages. I'll see you there.